the Libratone Track Air Plus versus Apple AirPods Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the Libratone Track Air Plus and how it compares to the Apple AirPods Pro. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the links in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. On the left we have the Track Air Plus and on the right is the AirPods Pro. I've done separate reviews on each and the links are in the description and at the end of the video if you prefer to watch those. The Track Air Plus features 6 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls and an app, active noise cancellation and ambient feature, USB-C for charging and wireless, and it's IPX4 sweat and water resistant. The Apple AirPods Pro features 4.5 to 5 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, Force Touch, has voice-activated Siri, active noise cancellation, and transparent hearing. Charging case uses Lightning and wireless, and it's IPX4 sweat and water resistant. Comparing the cases, both are compact with the AirPods case being a bit slimmer, and each have a plastic feel to it. On the front of the AirPods case, you have the status LED, and on the bottom is a lightning port for charging. Taking a look at the back of the cases, you have the USB-C charge port on the Track Air Plus, and on the AirPods, you have the pairing and setup button. Both cases have wireless charging, and here they are on the charger. Opening the case on the Track Air Plus, you'll find the status LED and function button. The lid is magnetic and it's easy to open and close, and the earbuds are secured into place by magnets as well. They are fairly easy to remove from the case. The earbuds come in two color options, gray and white. It has a very sleek and modern look. It has a metallic-like finish on the outer stem, and it's very small. The outer face has the touch controls, and inside you can see the ear indicators on the lower part. Each of the earbuds feature an in-ear sensor, microphones, touch controls, interchangeable ear tips, and charging contacts. There is also the Libratone app available for download. Once downloaded and connected, you can toggle the active noise cancellation from manual to auto. It can block up to 30 decibel of noise. You can also toggle the ambient sound feature to pick up surrounding noises. All these can be assigned in the touch control settings as well. Under the settings icon, you can toggle ear detection, touch control assignments, and reset the device. It also has the options for the EQ settings. You have neutral, extra bass, and enhanced treble, and the tap setting assignments from double to triple tap. Here are the Track Air Plus side by side. The AirPods Pro case has a glossy white finish. The lid is easy to open and close and it utilizes magnets. The earbuds are easy to grip and remove as well. The AirPods Pro are plastic all around and have a shorter stem compared to the previous model. It has the ear indicators on the lower part of the stem and it utilizes Force Touch, and you can see the indentation for the Force Touch. Each of the earbuds have dual accelerometers, dual optical sensors, microphone, charging contacts, Force Touch, and uses the H1 chipset. You can modify the active noise cancellation and transparent features in the Bluetooth settings, along with the ear fit test to ensure that you have proper seal. Here are the AirPods Pro side by side. And now the Track Air Plus and AirPods Pro side by side. The Track Air Plus case comes in at 38 grams, and the AirPods Pro case comes in at roughly 46 grams. The Track Air Plus earbuds come in at 11 grams, and the AirPods Pro come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by microphone samples. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Track Air Plus microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Apple AirPods Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Both pairs were very good during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. You can also use them independently, left or right side if you prefer. The pairing process was instant and I had no issues. When watching video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Libratone Track Air Plus and the Apple AirPods Pro. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I found the overall comfort for each one to be very similar. The fitment was good for both and very comfortable. They seated well and it provided a nice seal without excessive pressure. They both are light and at times you don't even feel like you have them on. The touch controls on the Track Air Plus didn't add additional pressure when navigating, and the force touch placements for the AirPods were a non-issue as well. Build and quality, I would give this to the Track Air Plus. Both cases are plastic and fairly equal, but where the Track Air Plus stands out is the earbuds. They have a modern sleek look to them, and I like the metallic finish. It just feels more durable compared to the plastic build quality of the AirPods. Both have wireless charging, which is a plus, and the Track Air also edges it out in battery life, coming in at 6 hours. Both also have active noise cancellation and transparent or ambient sounds. I found both to work very well and they blocked out a good amount of noise as I tested with fans and TV in the background. Ambient and transparent features also picked up a good amount of surrounding noise, so these features I feel are fairly equal for both. Now let's talk about sound. They were very close in sound and I feel the Track Air Plus just edges out the AirPods Pro. Bass is present on both and it's tight and punchy, not the overwhelming deep bass. Mids and highs also come in clean and clear, but the Tack Air Plus I feel comes in a bit louder and has better separation. You also get the flexibility of adjusting the EQ settings with the Tack Air Plus. Balanced sounds for both that don't really overwhelm. Overall, these are very close in my opinion when it comes to the sounds and features. I feel the Tack Air Plus has an edge with the overall design and quality, and the sounds are just a step up from the AirPods Pro. So that is my comparison between the Libratone Tack Air Plus and Apple AirPods Pro. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.